Guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tola. If you're new here, you're just stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least once a week. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK. I make vlogs. I also talk about my job centered around healthcare, and I also have a Telegram group dedicated entirely to healthcare content, where we share tips on how to search for healthcare jobs. We share links to jobs offering tiered sponsorships, and we also have started to form different clusters of study groups for people who are preparing for their IELTS. So this is a great community if you are looking to jump into the healthcare market and be part of what is going on. The link to this group will be in the description box. Remember to go over there and click on that link and join the group. All right, so today's video is a vlog, but it's starting like one of my sit down videos. All right, so over the week I was sent a PR package by SILKSILKY. All right, so they are an affordable silk garments and accessories. Silk deal with breathable fabrics, mainly silk, and they deal with nightgowns to silk wear, silk underwears. It's a lot. I will leave a link to their website in the description box so you can go and check them out yourself. But they have sent me a couple of items here, and I'm just going to be reviewing them here on the channel. All right, so this is the box that was sent to me, and I have to say, A for packaging. This is a very well put together. I know what is inside this box already because they already made me make a selection of what I wanted to get. But I'm just going to be opening it up and giving you a real-time reaction of my thoughts on the product and what I think about it. All right, so I'm also going to be doing a try-on at the end of the video. This is night time, and I'm also going to be getting ready to go to bed, literally in this. All right, so you're guessing already that it is a sleepwear, but I'm just going to go ahead and open up this box. This is opening the box for the first time. Oh, there's a note. All right. Oh, this note has a guarantee on it. I'm just going to read that out. All right. Focus on silky life. Sleep with us. Tell your friends. SILKSILKY has created for you a prestigious silk sleepwear, 100% mulberry silk. Special textile techniques give the silk fabric a glossy and smooth textility. All right, I can't wait. This is mouth-watering. This is very well put together. All right, so that's it for the note. After that, there's just this packaging that is for the eye mask, and I chose this color because I feel like sometimes I get lazy to take off all of my makeup, so this color kind of it kind of helps with that. I'll be trying these on later, so that is what this is about. I love the texture of this. It's really soft. It's very soft to the touch, and this is not something that will be extremely tight. It also has a very good elastic at the band. You see it has like this bra hook. It's also adjustable here by the sides, so you can make it as firm or as loose as you want it. So yes, that is the first thing that we are opening up on this box. All right, on to the next thing. They've also sent me this really cute pillowcase, and I chose this color because I mean, this is champagne gold. What more speaks of luxury than champagne gold? And this is, it's actually quite big. I chose the king size pillowcase so that I can fit in as much cushion into this as possible. The last and final thing in this box is the two-piece sleepwear that I selected from the list that was given to me. This is a very luxurious color. I love this color. Well, my husband made me fall in love with olive green, so I kind of chose this color. It's a two-piece, so it's really long. I don't know. Oh my god, the texture is so soft. Almost feels like you're holding a cloud. It's really soft. Oh wow. I mean, I really love this color. I can't wait to put this on. I'm going to iron this out and then we're going to do a try on. So that is all of the things that I got. Oh my god. It feels like a cloud. Just look at the detailing on there. It doesn't have pockets. I kind of wish they had pockets because in the mornings when I'm moving around, kind of need to chuck some things in there like my phone. All right, but I think the shirt has pockets, so that compensates for that. Yes, there's a pocket here on the shirt. All right, so I'm just going to iron these out and then we're going to have a try on. But first, I'm going to have to take off all of this makeup and literally get ready for bed. All right, let's go. All right, so excuse the awkwardness. This is my debut as a model, so please guys work with me. This is me just trying out this two-piece sleepwear, and these pajamas feel so comfortable. I feel like I'm literally sleeping in my skin, like it is that comfortable. And let's talk about this elastic band. This is not a thing that would dig into your skin. It's actually quite lightweight and it is true to size, so it's not too tight. And let's talk about the buttons as well. These buttons are even made of silk. Like the attention to detail in here is so intense. This garment is so worth the price. I mean, I would recommend this to anybody, like literally anybody. And just in case anybody was wondering, I got this in a size large because I wanted something that would be free, and this is actually my size. I mean, the sizes are actually true to size, so you should definitely get on the website. I mean, the sizes are on there, the guide to that is also on there, and this eye mask or eye patch is actually quite comfortable. I love what I got. And so I'd like to say a huge thank you to Silky for sponsoring this video. Alright, so remember to use my promo code. You get a discount guaranteed on any purchase you buy. I have to go and sleep right now. Good night, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.